When will Medi-Cal be fined for secretly terminating the health plans of covered California members? Medi-Cal routinely goes into covered California accounts without any authorization. There's no name to the person. It's as if they have a bag over their head. They meddle in the accounts and terminate people's health plans. This happened to my client Phoebe recently. Now, Phoebe has been a client of mine for many years, and during the open enrollment period of 2023, we updated her income in the covered California system, and everything looked good. She was enrolled in a Silver 94 plan with a subsidy. In late March, she received a notice from the health plan that it had been canceled. And so we didn't understand why, because she'd been making her premium payments and everything seemed in order. There was no alerts that she was eligible or pending Medi-Cal eligibility. So I went into her covered California account, and sure enough, the plan had been terminated as of April 1. So then I go into the case history, and every time you make a change to a covered California account, it's logged. So within the case history, I could see that Medi-Cal System CW San Francisco had made numerous changes to her account. We don't know why. We don't know who invited these people in there, but they made various changes. One of them, they actually increased their income by almost double from what we had entered. And so she was far above any Medi-Cal income eligibility by that change by Medi-Cal. But whatever Medi-Cal did when they submitted it, they terminated her Silver 94 health plan and made her completely ineligible for covered California and ineligible for Medi-Cal. Literally, Phoebe is without health insurance. I called Covered California and said, well, why is she not even eligible for Medi-Cal? And they would kind of look through the case history logs, and they said, oh, they couldn't verify her citizenship. Phoebe's been in Covered California for years. Her citizenship has never been questioned. She was born in the United States of America. So Medi-Cal is overseen by the Department of Healthcare Services, who is overseen by the Department of Managed Healthcare. And the Department of Managed Healthcare routinely fines health plans for mistakes and bad behavior. In January of 2023, the Department of Managed Healthcare fined LA Care $300,000 for deceptive enrollment tactics. So, I mean, what could be more deceptive than going into someone's covered California account unannounced and just meddling with it, terminating their insurance? In March, the Department of Managed Healthcare fined HealthNet $1.2 million for, as they say, failing to properly reimburse thousands of claims to the plan's providers. So, Department of Managed Healthcare can have an impact with these fines to straighten up the health plans and get them to play fair. But they never seem to do anything about Medi-Cal, whose people are just kind of anonymous, bags over their heads, middle of the night, go in, tamper with covered California accounts, strip people of their health insurance, and then, as Phoebe called, they tell her, oh, it could take 45 days before we resolve this and see if you're eligible for Medi-Cal. So Phoebe has a giant headache and an anxiety attack. I think that is worthy of a fine by the Department of Managed Healthcare. For InsureMeKevin.com, I am Kevin Canals.